Welcome to Geoverse Lab, where geography comes alive, science makes sense, and every corner of our planet has a story to tell. Explore the Earth, discover fascinating facts, and see the world like never before. Have you ever wondered why Earth's climate is constantly changing? Today we are diving deep into the engine room of our planet, the Earth's climate system. To understand how our climate changes, we first need to break it down into its 5 core components, the interconnected spheres that shape our world. Let's look at each one. The Biosphere. This is the zone of life. It includes every living thing on Earth, from towering rainforests and vast wildlife down to single-celled organisms in the deepest oceans and microscopic spores in the air. The atmosphere, the protective blanket of gases surrounding our planet. This isn't just the air we breathe. It includes the complex chemical mix of gases, suspended dust particles, aerosols, and the liquid water droplets and ice crystals that form our clouds. The lithosphere, the Earth's solid outer crust and upper mantle, extending down a few tens of kilometers. While it excludes the deep molten interior of the Earth, its surface topography, like mountain ranges and valleys, plays a massive role in weather patterns. The cryosphere, the frozen world. This includes the massive polar ice caps of Antarctica and Greenland, alpine glaciers, floating sea ice, and the vast stretches of permafrost, the deeply frozen soils of the Arctic regions. The hydrosphere, all of Earth's liquid water. This is dominated by our massive oceans, but it also includes every freshwater lake, rushing river, and the hidden networks of groundwater beneath our feet. Climate forcing and response. Now the question is, how do these 5 spheres interact with one another? To understand this, we need to learn an important concept known as climate forcing and climate response. Simply put, think of it as cause and effect. A climate forcing is an external factor that initiates a change in the Earth's climate system, while a climate response is the way the Earth reacts to that change. The major factors that drive climate change include 1. Plate tectonics, or the slow movement of continents. 2. Changes in the Earth's orbit around the Sun. 3. Natural variations in solar energy reaching our planet. 4. Human activities, such as greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation. When these external forces influence the Earth's climate system, they trigger a variety of internal responses. These responses can affect vegetation, the atmosphere, the land surface, ice-covered regions, and even the oceans. Climate feedback. Now, let's move on to another important concept known as climate feedback. There are 2 main types of climate feedback. 1. Positive feedback. A positive feedback amplifies or strengthens the original change. For example, when the Earth's temperature rises, more water evaporates into the atmosphere. Water vapor is a powerful greenhouse gas, meaning it traps additional heat in the atmosphere. As a result, the Earth's temperature rises even further. In simple terms, warming leads to more warming. 2. Negative feedback. A negative feedback works in the opposite way. It reduces or counteracts the original change. As temperatures increase, evaporation also increases, adding more water vapor to the atmosphere. However, this additional moisture also promotes the formation of more clouds. These clouds reflect a portion of the sun's incoming radiation back into space. As a result, less solar energy reaches the Earth's surface, causing temperatures to cool down. These examples show that the Earth's climate system is incredibly complex. Positive and negative feedbacks are constantly interacting with one another. In some situations, positive feedback becomes the dominant process, while in others, negative feedback plays the greater role. That is why scientists cannot always predict with certainty which process will dominate under every set of conditions. In today's lesson, we learned that 1. The Earth's climate system is made up of 5 major components. 2. Climate forcing and climate response help us understand the cause and effect of climate change. 3. Positive and negative feedbacks play a crucial role in either amplifying or reducing changes in the Earth's temperature. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting topic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so this knowledge can reach even more people.